Today we will unbox the GNSS.STORE base station for the Onakoi project. This is a kit with an adapter. Now I will demonstrate what is inside. So, the base station protection box itself. Inside is a thank you letter and a quick start guide with a link and QR code to the full setup guide. An adapter for the SD card. The base station itself. There is a front view. And on the back there is a connector for the antenna and a slot for the SD card. Here is what it looks like. As well a cable for connecting an additional external equipment to built-in RF splitter. Foam inside, which protects the equipment during transportation. And the power supply kit. The power supply kit is from Raspberry. The power supply with Type-C connector. With various switches for power outlets for different regions. To find out more useful information about this and other products, visit our website, the link is in the description.